Okay. Good evening, everybody. Today I am taking a class in Msword. Okay, today I will show you how to create tables. Okay, how to create tables. My name is Rizwan. I am a computer faculty of Microsoft Computer Science at Tumakuru. Okay, before starting with the class, first I will wish everybody a very happy Deepavali and Festival of Lights. Okay. See, actually table is the intersection of rows and columns. Okay. Now I will go to Winword. I will go to Winword. Okay. Now what I will do, I will go to insert, then you go to table. Okay. And here how many rows you want, you can select. How many rows, how many columns you want, you can select. Okay. Table is the intersection of columns and rows. Now I will show you how to create students timetable using MS Word. Okay. Now first I will say day. Okay, I will say days. Days, then I will say periods. First I will say 9 to 10. Then I will say 10 to 11. Then I will say 11 to 12. You press tab. If you want to go to next column, you press tab. Then 12 to 1. 12 to 1. Okay. Now if you want to insert a new column, what you do, right click, then you go to insert, then you go to column to the right. Okay. Either you can use right or you can use left. Okay. Again I will say 12 to 1, then I will say 1 to 2. Like that you keep on inserting. Right click, you go to insert, column to the right. Again I will say 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Okay. And again I will say right click, insert, column to the right. Suppose I will say 3 to 4. Okay. Again right click, insert, column to the right. Suppose I will say 4 to 5. Suppose you think 3 to 4 is the last period. I want to remove this 4 to 5 column. What I do? Select the column, then right click. Okay. Right click, then you go to delete column. Delete column. Okay. Now here what I will show the days. Suppose I will say Monday. Monday, what are the periods? You have science, then you have social, then you have mathematics. You have to press tab. If you want to go to different cells, you have to press tab. Okay. Then I will say English. Then I will say now. Suppose I think 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is a lunch break. For the lunch break, what I will do? Okay. Select the column, left click, then right click. You have an option called merge cell. See, merge cell is for removing the lines in between the columns. Here I will say lunch. 1 to 2 is a lunch. Now suppose I want to display the lunch in the vertical position. Right click, then you go to an option called text direction. Text direction. Which position you want to select, then click on OK. Okay. Now if you want to align the text, vertical, if you want center, left, top, bottom, what you do, you go to home. See, this is for if you want center, top, bottom, in the vertical position you can align. Okay. Then I will say Hindi, I will say games. Click on games. Again, if you will tab. Okay. Either you keep on writing. You say Tuesday what you have, mathematics. Again I will say science. Again I will say social. And I will say mathematics. Again I will say games. Again I will say science. Either you keep on adding. Again I will say suppose next is what? Wednesday. Okay. Next is I will say Wednesday. Press tab. Okay. Wednesday what you have? Again you have science. You have mathematics. Then you have social studies. Then you have science. Okay. Then you have Hindi. Then you have English. Like that you are getting one timetable. Some simple timetable. I will say Thursday. Okay. Again I will say mathematics. Then I will say science. Then I will say social. Then I will say again English. I will say Hindi. I will say. If you want to add, you say press tab. If you want to add new color row, press tab. Suppose you think now later you keep on adding for Friday, Saturday. Okay. Now if you want to remove the rows, what you do? Select the half of the row, then right click, then you go to delete cell, then you go to entire row. Okay. Now this is for grading table. Now suppose if you want to add the heading to the table, what you do? Select the table, then right click, then you go to insert caption. Now these are heading. Suppose I will say students timetable. Okay. Then you click on. It's asking whether you want above or below. Above means above the table, below means below the table. Okay, usually it will be above. Then you click on. Now if you want, you can remove that name. This is table one, you can remove. If you want, you can change the style of the this one table text. Whichever style you want, you can select. If you want center, you can do center. If you want, you can increase the size. How much size you want, you can increase. If you want, you can put the underline. If you want, you can change the color. These things you can do. Okay, like that. Next what you have. Now wantedly what I will do. Wantedly I will manually I will make uneven rows. Means I will change the row size. Okay, change the row size. Row means horizontal line. Wantedly I am changing different row sizes. I want to make all the rows of equal size. What I will do? Again right click. Again you go to distribute rows evenly. Same thing. You have uneven column. Uneven means the sizes are not proper. One is big, one is small. Okay, wantedly I am doing. Again I want to arrange for equal column. Again right click, you go to distribute column. Distribute column and like that. Okay. Next what I will do. Now in this next we have, suppose I want to align the text position. For that they have cell alignment. Okay. See, this is for going to right side. Again right click, cell alignment. This is for going to left side, like that, or center. Like that you keep on aligning. And one more thing what you have, that is auto fit. Auto fit means content means, okay, suppose if I say contents, the table will be fixed according to the size of the text. Window means it takes the maximum size of the window, like that. Okay. Next what you have, next is suppose in this cell alignment method, okay, distribute rows merge cell. Next what you have, I'll go to same thing. I'll go to auto fit. Suppose I'll say content. Now here what I'll do, I'll type some text. I'll say equals. I'll say rand. I'll type some text. Okay. Now in this what I'll do, suppose I think you have seen a textbook. Table will come center, left, right. Table will be surrounded by text. Again right click. Again what you do, again you go to this table properties. If I select this, it will go to right side. Again right click. You go to table properties. Okay. Table properties. Then what you do, if you select this, it comes center. Like that you can align the text. Again right click. Again you go to table properties. If you say around this, the table is surrounded by text. Like that you can change. Next what you have, if you want to represent borders for the table, for that you go to border and shading. Okay, here what you do, select all. Now for a page border, for the text border, which design you want, you can select, and which color you want, you can select color. Okay, and one more here, that is page border. Even for page border also you can give lines, but you have an option called art. Okay, in which design you want to select. Okay, and how much of size you want, you can increase or decrease. Then what you do, you go to shading. Shading means add, if you want to add color inside the this one, inside the table. Inside the table, which color you want, you can select. Then click on OK. Click on OK. See, this is shading. This is table border. This is page border. Okay, like that you can create. Okay. Now this is for creating, how to create tables. Okay, and this concept is very important. Okay, in MS Word. Okay, thank you.